Hello my friends, welcome to a super simple, super quick cook with me type video. We're not actually doing any cooking because this doesn't require you to cook a thing, but I wanted to share this recipe with you because it has been my all-time favorite thing to eat lately. It's so healthy, oh my gosh, it's just so good. It's got good fats, it's got lots of protein, it's so filling and so stinking delicious that I had to share it with you. This is my iteration of avocado toast, which is super hot and trending right now, but this is the way I decided to create it, and I created it in such a way just to make me want to eat the avocado, and it turns out that it just ended up being my favorite thing because I do not like plain avocado. I need seasoned, delicious avocado, and I have figured out how to make it so it is just so stinking tasty. So here we go, let's jump right in with what you need. I like to use English muffins with my avocado toast. So this is my bread, and the Healthy Life English muffins are 2 smart points and 2 points plus a piece. So if you really want some good bang for your points buck, these are the way to go. I find them at my local Walmart. I'm not sure what other grocery stores you can get them at, but I'm pretty sure they're at a lot of them. 2 points. Then the key is this Holy Guacamole little individual mini packet thing. It is 3 points on both plans, 3 smart points, 3 points plus. And I do the mild guacamole, but not the plain nothing but avocado. I bought that once and I couldn't stand it. So this is just the mild guacamole. It is mostly just avocado with a little bit more flavoring, but it is super delicious. I love that it's portion controlled. I have a whole box of them sitting in my refrigerator. You need everything but the bagel seasoning. You need tomato. In a perfect world, you have little itty bitty like cherry or grape tomatoes, but this is what I've got, so this is what I'm using. And you need smoked salmon. Yes, that is the super fancy part of this avocado toast. And it's really, really easy to make. So all you do is you take your toasted English muffin for 2 points. Like I said, this is so simple. And you take your entire packet of guacamole. Now, if you wanted to save points, you don't have to use the entire container. I really like the way this tastes, so I do use the entire container of guacamole. Just spread it around there. It's exciting already, but this is the secret ingredient right here. I'm very generous with my topping of everything bagel seasoning. And this just adds some really nice onion, garlicky flavor. It's, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. And it just adds what I need in order to be able to eat the avocado. And then you just slap some tomato on it. Like I said, in a perfect world, I have grape or cherry tomatoes that I cut up, so I take 5 or 6 of them and I'll slice them into a couple slices a piece, and then I will set those all over this. But since I have only this tomato, that's what we're going with. So I put the tomato on top, and then I have to bust out my trusty scale here because you can overdo it with smoked salmon, my friends. It's so very easy. And because I'm following points plus, I have to weigh mine out because it actually counts for points for me. I have to weigh out 3 ounces, and 3 ounces of smoked salmon is 2 points plus, and as you guys know, on Freestyle, it's 0 points. And there you go, just to show you. I don't know if you can see that, but it does in fact say 3 ounces of salmon, and that's literally it. That's all it is. It is the English muffin, the guacamole, the everything bagel seasoning, top it with tomatoes and put the salmon on top. Warning, it is a messy thing to eat, but oh my goodness, it is so stinking delicious. In terms of final points values on Weight Watchers Freestyle, we have 2 for the English muffin, 3 for the avocado, nothing for the salmon, nothing for the tomato. So you have 5 smart points, and then for points plus, it's a little bit more. It's actually 2 for the English muffin, 3 for the avocado, and 2 for the salmon, so you have 7 points plus. So in terms of comparing smart points to points plus, Weight Watchers Freestyle is the winner for this one because it's just all good, healthy fats, omega-3s, high protein, so stinking delicious. So I wanted to share this recipe with you. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have your own special recipe for avocado toast that you love, because I would love to hear about it. And if you like these cook with me videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want to see more. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Take care and enjoy.